Hey Salam, I hope you guys are well. Halal Chef is back for another video, and this time I'm making delicious salt and pepper chicken. This Chinese dish is so flavorful, it's one of my favorites. It's gonna be crispy, juicy, so good. Without further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. First you want to cut the onion in half and remove each layer. And now you want to cut the onions into medium cubes. You can't skip the veggies for the salt and pepper chicken. These are the heart of the dish. And now you want to do the same with the green pepper. Just cut it around the seeds. Try to keep them all in a similar size. We're also going to use some of the red chili. You want to thinly slice the red chili. It's going to add a bit of aroma, a bit of kick. For more flavor, we're going to use spring onion greens. Again, you want to thinly slice these. Now for the spring onions, I like to separate the greens from the whites. The greens can be used for the garnish, and we're going to cook the white. Of course, we're going to use some of the garlic. Just give it a medium chop. It doesn't need to be too fine. Now for the chicken, we're using breast. Make sure it's nice and clean. I'm just going to cut it in the middle. Especially, if it's too large. And now you can slice it again in the middle and then cut it into bite-sized pieces. Now remove the chicken into a bowl and set aside. Now grab yourself another bowl in with the potato starch. And now we're also going to throw in some of the plain flour. Go in with the salt, white pepper, MSG, and a light touch of the black pepper. Now really good mix to that. Now we're going to grab some of the flour and add it onto your chicken. Crack an egg. And give that a really good mix. Or when you're just about to fry the chicken, turn up the heat to around medium high, and you want to bring the oil temperature to around 160 Celsius first. We're gonna fry the chicken twice. First we're gonna blanch the chicken, set the coating, and the second fry will give us a nice crispy exterior. I'm using sunflower oil for frying, by the way. The coated chicken will go back into the flour, and then we're gonna put it into the oil. Also, the oil temperature is coming to around 160 Celsius. Gonna shake off the excess flour. Here we go. Let this cook for around 3 to 4 minutes. I'm just moving it around so the oil goes all over the chicken. Let's start removing this now. Make sure to drain off the excess oil, of course. Now before we fry for the second time, you're gonna clean up the oil. And now you want to bring the oil temperature to around 180 Celsius. Let's add the chicken. You want to fry this for around 1 to 2 minutes now. So that's exactly what we're looking for. Got a beautiful color on the chicken. It looks amazing, nice and crispy. Exactly what we're looking for. Now we can remove this. Again, you want to drain off the excess oil and remove it onto your plate that has been aligned with some of the kitchen paper. Beautiful. Just turn off the heat now. So we got all the ingredients ready. We got our onions, peppers, garlic, green onions, some of the red chilies, and spices where I'm using MSG, coriander, ginger, red chili flakes, salt, black pepper, white pepper, and some of the Chinese spice. Let's cook our salt and pepper chicken now. Grab your wok, turn up the heat to on medium, a good touch of oil in there. Let the oil get nice and hot. First we're going with our onions. We want a light brown color on those onions. Mix them around and coat them with the oil. Keep stirring them around, alright? Now we're going with our peppers, our garlic, a light touch of salt in there, a little bit of the MSG, a really good mix to that. And you want to saute that garlic and a light saute on the peppers as well. Good mix to that. Nicely fragrant, exactly what we want here. And we want to kill the raw smell of the garlic as well. Perfect. Keep an eye on the heat, don't let anything burn. Now we're going in with our chicken. All the amazing chicken goes straight in. All of our amazing spices along with the MSG, white pepper, black pepper, some of the red chilies. Don't be shy. It's salt and pepper chicken. White part of the spring onion. A light touch of sesame oil. Totally optional. Now give that a stir. Cook for additional 1 to 2 minutes and then kill the heat. Have a little taste and check for any seasoning. Feel free to garnish it with some of these spring onion greens. Our mouth-watering salt and pepper chicken, done. So delicious. Wow. I'm serving our salt and pepper chicken with some of the stir-fried noodles. Alright, let's try our salt and pepper chicken. Like I said, one of my favorites, absolutely packed with flavor. Let's get some of those noodles first. Bismillah. I stir fried the noodles with some of the chili, sesame oil, and some of the spring onion greens. So good, you know. Alright, let's try our salt and pepper chicken now. Bismillah. Wow. That is so mouth-watering. Perfectly cooked, you know. Wow. The chicken is crispy, juicy, has a lot of flavor. And those onions, peppers really add a nice touch to this. This is so good, you know. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, make sure you like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom. Make for your dad. Make for your family. Enjoy.